I really hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in next week's video. Have a good day or night. Bye bye.
Okay, she's gone. I have an idea. I want to make something for her studio space.
We're going to IKEA now for Evert's super secret project I know nothing about right now. Well, besides that it's a mirror. Daarop zou ik wel moeten geraken normaal.
We bought a mirror and I want to upgrade it to make it more whimsical, I guess. So yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna go to the hardware store now and I'm gonna buy some MDF and then I'll see you there. Okay, this will be my design. The mirror fits right in here. So I'll cut out the MDF. I'm gonna round over the corners and then paint it in one color, I think. Okay, so I need one of these. I think I will be getting the 12 millimeters. No, this is 12. This is 18, I think. 18 would be more sturdy though. But how much does it cost? $25.99. It's 15 millimeters. I guess I'll take this. Ja, zo'n plaat MDF van 12 mm hebben we op maat gezaagd. Ja. Okay, so I have my design. The rectangle is the mirror, and then the squiggly lines have to be cut out of this MDF. I was gonna do two parts, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to without making a hole. So it's gonna be one full border, I think. So first let's cut out all the shapes. Well, draw out all the shapes, and then we'll cut it out and then mount a mirror to it. I've drawn out the mirror. Now I'm just gonna measure off my drawing, draw on my MDF, and then I can cut. Okay, so I'm done with drawing on the shape. Now I'm gonna cut it out and then I'm gonna round over the corners. I'm gonna see, can I turn you around? Too loud for me! I'm gonna see if I can separate these two, so I have two pieces. You're seeing the vision? Hello. I went a bit over lines here, which is kind of sad, but I'm gonna try to make it as best as I can. I'm gonna inlay the mirror into the MDF, so hopefully that'll kind of fix the gaps, because then I'm gonna do a border of MDF behind it to strengthen it. I don't think I'm gonna separate the two. The problem is I have to drill into the frame to separate the two, so I don't think that'll be the best idea, because that'll mean I have to fill and fix things and stuff, and I don't think it's really necessary. Okay. Oh. Okay, this fits. I routed out the edges, so the mirror fits well now. I'm gonna have to route it out again though, with the bracing, so it doesn't fall out. And then I'm gonna have to prime everything, and then I'm done. Okay, everything is rounded over, cut out. I've already cleaned it, and now it's time to prime. I've braced it all up, and I've assembled it, and this is the final mirror. It's a bit wonky, but it's organic. So yeah, there it is. Are you ready for the reveal?
Oh, yes, don't go so close on my face. I'm ready.
Come with me.
I'm ready.
It's there.
Oh my god, it's so cute. I was kind of hoping you were gonna make something like this. My feet aren't in frame, right?
Now they are.
It's so cute. I love it.
Now you're dirty.
Oh no. I love it. Now I'll have to think what I will paint on it later this week, maybe, if I have time.
So I made some bracing.
Whoa. Amazing. Ooh, no.
But I have to make some more bracing for the sides because now they are still loose.
Yeah. Okay guys, it is my turn to take over for this video. I look kind of ridiculous because obviously I'm wearing clothing that is allowed to become dirty, but today I'm gonna paint the mirror. I have 4 colors in mind, but I'm thinking maybe 3 colors will be better because as I'm seeing it, it is not like extremely thick. Oh yeah, you don't know any background information, but I did do a poll on my Instagram stories asking if I should do like a rainbow pattern or more moss details, because maybe you don't know it yet, but my studio is like a little bit moss inspired, and most people voted for the rainbow pattern. I feel like it's meant to be with like the waves of the edge. So first of all, I need to sand the mirror, then I will clean it, and then we can start painting, I guess. But I asked Evict if he can make some extra sparkles out of MDF, and maybe I can paint those as well to like add like maybe 3-ish sparkles on the top of the mirror, because I feel like that would be very cute with the rainbow pattern. And he agreed, but I just don't know when he's gonna do it. So I don't think I'm gonna be varnishing already. Maybe I'm gonna do it after like the whole mirror is done, obviously. But we can start painting already now. So let's sand it and then we can start. Let's start with this purple color on the outside. I'm not 100% sure that the colors will look nice, but I'm gonna go for it. And I guess my sparkles are gonna be orange because I'm already gonna use yellow on the inside of the border. So let's see. After 1 hour, we have one of the colors down, so I am guessing this will take me 2 more hours, which would be ideal because then it's almost 6 p.m. and I can start with making dinner. But so far, I think I have every corner of the mirror, so now I want to do green and then yellow, but I think I will start with yellow on the inside and then do green as like the final color in the middle. Okay, I'm almost forgot to film the reveal for now because I already started cleaning up. But I did go for the 4 colors I planned in the beginning because there was enough space. So this is it for now.
Again. Again. Hello, chicken. Shouldn't you go home?
So Evert told me he hasn't updated you guys on what we are doing now, but he has made these sparkles out of wood, as you can see. He maybe can make some more sparkles for my studio. I don't know, he just requested, he just offered that idea, I guess. So he cut out these sparkles and primed them, and in just a second I'm gonna paint them like an orangey yellow, and then eventually in the afternoon Evert is gonna glue them onto the mirror, and then we only need to varnish, and then the mirror is complete, I guess.
I think it'll be better if we first varnish and then glue.
Okay, we can do that as well.
Because otherwise it's gonna be hard to varnish under them.
Yeah.
And not have blobs.
Yeah, maybe. Okay guys, so here is the place where my mirror is gonna end up. And my plan for this, I think it will still fit under these wings that I crocheted. And I think I will just remove the skirt right now. And then I'll scoot the mannequin to the right so that the mirror can go here. So I will remove the skirt. I think it's so beautiful in the background, but I'm also thinking of maybe selling it in the future. So yeah, we need to make place for the beautiful mirror, and I think that's the best plan for now.
So Hippie painted all the sparkles and the mirror, and now I'm gonna varnish them, 2 layers with some sanding in between.
Okay guys, I think Evert just made some time lapses, but the problem is I'm gonna edit this outside of the house, like this whole video. I'm gonna edit this at Evert his workplace, so I won't be able to make a voiceover, so I have to update you very quickly about what he did. He made this backing, and I think now... No, I don't think it needs to dry. For context, I didn't get any context about what he just did. He said, I'm gonna see what he has done, and then I'm gonna be able to explain for the video, but I actually have no idea how to explain this. But yeah, he made this thing so that the mirror stays in place. I guess that's it. And then in a few days he will glue on the sparkles, I think, and then the mirror will be done. Well, I guess it will first need to dry a little bit, but then the mirror will be done and we can put it in my studio space, which is very nice because we have a housewarming this weekend. So I really hope the mirror will be in my studio space before the housewarming. Evert is working in our garden and he bought this today, and it fits perfectly on his bike apparently, which is very funny. So Evert is gonna try with wood glue to see if the sparkle will stick. We have a few like white spots because I didn't paint it as well because I couldn't see anything. So we're covering up a few of the white spots, hopefully. But it's gonna look so cute. And we have white spots kind of everywhere because I didn't see as well. But I feel like nobody's really gonna notice as well. Outside, I guess. I'm being chased. Perfect. welcome to the outro of this video. As you can see, the mirror is stunning. It does have a few flaws that I'm not gonna point out, mostly but by me, also a little bit by Evert, but this was the first time we did an interior design project. Well, it's not interior design, it's like interior decoration, I guess. I love how it turned out. Now I can make outfit pictures and stuff like that. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if we should do more stuff like this. We actually have another project planned for in our living room slash entryway. I guess it will still take a while because obviously Evert works full-time, so he has to find time here and there and during the weekends. But I love it. I'm so happy with it. And I guess I will see you next week. I really hope you enjoyed and have a good day or night. Bye bye. Also show some support for Evert, I guess, because he did do most of this video.